Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Musa pins a sweet message about the love of his life, his soulmate Mayeni on Instagram. He posted pictures of them. I guess this is when they had their very first wedding. And he basically wrote, I took some of these pictures at Mdlalo Lodge as part of the place that was popular for photo shoots for wedding when I got married to Indlunkulu Mayeni. Little did I know that I was going to buy a place in the near future, Sisaya Bude. So this is basically pictures of them on their wedding day at Mdlalo Lodge. As Musa says, this was popularly known as it was a very popular place for people to take pictures at it. And little did he know that years later, the very same place that him and his soulmates went to go and take pictures at, that he would actually buy that actual lodge. Like, it's crazy to actually think about it. But I love the last part where he's like, Sisaya Ude, meaning that they are still going to, they still have a long way and they're still going to go far in life. And listen, I love it for them. But I also want to say, guys, one thing about Musa, he's a hard-working man. And please, I don't appreciate anyone who tries and downplay how hardworking that man is. But not only him, even his wives, they have been hard work. I mean, the fact that they're on the show, they are working. But even them Mdlalo Lodge, we've seen it on season 1, I believe. Mdlalo Lodge belongs to them. They were, what were they doing at Mdlalo Lodge, guys? They were doing a catering business or something like that. But if you've heard Musa speak about his story, you guys, they've started many businesses. They've started many businesses. So to see them where they are today, they really have worked as a family, and they continue to work as a family. To think, guys, on one channel, they've got like Musa has three shows. There is Uthando Nesthembu, Izingane Zesthembu, and then now wait, so that's 3. And guys, even for a black man, that is outstanding. And I mean, sometimes, no matter how much you might disagree with his lifestyle and the way he thinks, in terms of like marriage and women, but we must give him his flowers that he's quite a smart man. But anyway, please do make sure that you like this video. You know what? We love Mayeni, we love Mayeni and Musa's relationship. And quite frankly, we are happy to see them at such a jolly place within their marriage. It's been a long coming, and we really hope that by Bamde, and may the Lord continue to strengthen their union. And yeah, please do also subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.